Good morning. Was spraying yesterday. Kind of got caught up spraying cotton. Had a spot spray for some bugs and pigs on some really late planted cotton, some really immature cotton. I hope it has time to make. So JR is doing riding around. But we got another lake job we've started. I'm going to go about 5 miles up the road and fall in with, let's see, three more tractors, track hoe and a small dozer. I think the guy that owns the place has a dump trailer that he's running up there, but about to get on the highway. I seen him yesterday. I videoed him with a small clip, but look who's coming. Red GMC. Welcome to today's episode of Southern Farming. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Look who I run up on. Old Dirt Crew. Okay, we're here today, starting on a new lake, building the levee. We got to remove lots and lots of topsoil. This is kind of in a valley of a pasture on what is currently a cattle farm, and they will continue to graze cattle through it. Just have a big pretty lake basically all the way up to the base of those trees that you can see. Well, you can't see them now, the mirror's blocking them right there up by that house. But basically everything with dirt, we're moving the topsoil on. We're loading right here in front, keeping all the cuts inside the pink flags right here. All right, y'all hang tight right here. I've got some dirt to move. The dark colored dirt you see to the right, the dozer's parked right now, right to the right of that dozer, that's going to be the levee. We're just really getting started building it up. We're loading going downhill into the valley, easier to carry the momentum and load the pans a little faster. Dumping as we come along the levee, working on this closest side for right now. We're going to keep it, because it's got rain in the forecast, we're going to do one side at a time, keep a place for the water to drain, just in case we get rained out. And wouldn't you know it, about an hour after lunch, the rain starts. It's gotten too slick to run. We've tried, our pans are fishtailing every time we turn it up and down the hill, and we're just going to have to wait it out and see what it does. What's the rain gonna do? How much is it gonna rain? Well, really rained this time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.